Step 4. Check for unsupported usage. Prefer transactions. Commit or roll back all open prefer transactions before attempting an upgrade. For checking prefer transaction, first we need to connect the database. For connecting DB instance, in the navigation pane, choose databases. In the database page, choose DB instance which you want to connect your database. Scroll down this page. The connectivity and security tab, you need to copy endpoint and port number. In the configuration tab, scroll down this page. In the instance class, in the availability for master username, you need to copy your username. If you are not seeing any value under DB name, then you need to use Postgres. Postgres is a default database name for Postgresql DB engine. First, you need to install the Postgresql client in your local machine. Then open the command prompt. Then you need to type PSQL capital U username -h endpoint name -d database name -p port number. Then enter. It will ask the password for your username. You need to type your password, then press enter. Now we connected to the Postgresql DB engine. We connected to the default database name. For listing the database name with the details, you need to type /l plus, then enter. Here we are seeing the database list, owner list, then encoding details. Here we are seeing the list of the database access privileges, then database size, table spaces. DemoDB is a custom database. Postgres is a default database name for this PostgreSQL DB engine. RDS admin is related to RDS admin database. This too is a template. So we can connect only default database, or you can connect your custom database. You can't connect RDS admin or this template. For connecting custom DB instance, you need to type /c, then you need to give the database name, then press enter. Now we connected to the DemoDB database. We are seeing the connection details. For checking the preferred transaction details, you need to run this SQL. Next, we need to check the reg data types. Remove all uses of the reg data types before attempting an upgrade. You can't upgrade the reg data types. The PG_upgrade utility can't persist this data type, which is used by Amazon RDS to do the upgrade. To verify that there are no uses of unsupported reg data types, you need to run this command for each database. If you have created multiple databases in the DB engine, then you need to connect each database and run this command. And you need to verify the reg data type details. If it is greater than 0, then you need to remove the all reg data types.